We had our peppers sitting up on 3, 4 pallets, and about a week ago we were cutting the yard and doing a little weed eating around here, and we know a copperhead up underneath one of the pallets. So good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Behind me, we are in what was pepper row. In case you all don't remember, we had our peppers sitting up on 3, 4 pallets, and about a week ago we were cutting the yard and doing a little weed eating around here, and we know a copperhead up underneath one of the pallets. So we decided to remove the pallets. We're going to try to level the soil down, and we're going to put some weed fabric here. got pepper row up and running again. You can see the weed barrier is down, and the peppers and the few other plants that I have in containers are back where they belong. And the peppers are still looking good. The eggplant still looking good. Spearmint looking good. Japanese eggplant. Papaya. The only thing that needs to improve is my little red mustard here. Hopefully it'll start doing better. But everything looks good, and happy with this project. We got it done. It took longer than what I expected, but we got it done. We've had a lot of rain recently, and I was concerned about my peppers getting too much water and my tomatoes getting too much water and splitting. Hopefully we'll be drying out some. So YouTube, I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this tour. I hope you enjoyed it, got something out of it, brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. So it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.